There are various ways to make money using your phone, some of which include taking surveys. There are a number of survey apps that will pay you for completing surveys on your phone. Some popular options include Swagbath, Survey Junkie, and Toluna. Second one is selling items. Now, you can use your phone to sell items you no longer need or want. So, websites like eBay, Craigslist, and Facebook Marketplace allow you to list items for sale and communicate with potential buyers. Now, the third one is completing micro tasks. There are apps like TaskRabbit and Gigwalk that allow you to complete small tasks for money. This can include things like taking photos of products in stores or completing small jobs for people in your local area. The fourth one is freelance work. If you have a particular skill, you can use your phone to find freelance work. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr allow you to offer your services and connect with clients who need them. And the last one but not least is cashback apps. There are several cashback apps that give you money back for purchases you make through their app. Isn't that great? I think that's amazing. Some popular options include Ibotta and Rakuten. It's important to note that making significant money through these methods may take time and effort. However, they can be a good way to earn some extra cash on the side. Now, if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you're alerted every time we upload. Bye!